Hey, what's up guys? I'm Jagath and welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to see about the problems and battery life of 10G. So this is the mobile. Basically I've been using it for the past 2 to 3 weeks. Before getting started, just to remind you all, I have already done the gaming review, camera review and the unboxing of this device, and I have provided the link in the description below. Please do check it out.
These are the topics that are going to be covered in this video.
Special thanks to Nishant Kumar for actually suggesting me to do a battery usage review of 10G. Okay guys, I am starting off this video with the battery usage in 10G.
Let's see the time taken for the battery to drain from 100% to 15%. So as you all can see, it took approximately about 3 hours for the battery to drain from 100% to 55% with Wi-Fi being turned on. Only 10% of the battery was drained in standby mode. It took nearly about 10 hours for the battery to drain from 46% to 15% with Wi-Fi being turned on. Similarly, let's see the time taken for the battery to drain completely from 100% to 15% without Wi-Fi. So without Wi-Fi, it actually took 3 hours to drain from 100% to 68% with continuous usage. I got approximately 10 hours of battery in standby mode without Wi-Fi. Now moving on to the battery saver mode. I actually turned on the battery saver mode only at 70%, and it actually took me about 6 hours for the battery to drain from 70% to 30% with usages in both Wi-Fi and data. So these stats are based on my usage.
How long does this 10G take to charge?
So as you all can see, there was not a big difference for charging the mobile. With Wi-Fi, it took only few extra minutes for charging. So it takes approximately 3 hours for the mobile to get charged. 2 to 4% of battery may drain when we switch off the mobile and turn it back on. So as you all can see, only 1% of my battery was drained, but previously when I was testing it out, nearly 4 to 5% got drained. Okay, now let us have a look at the problems. As we all can see, it showed charging sign even when my phone was not connected. This problem occurred only when I connected to computer, and this problem was before the update, and after the update I had no problems with it. Sometimes the Bluetooth or the location turns on automatically. The next problem which I faced is that sometimes while trying to open the notification, I was not able to open it, so this was one problem with it. Call quality was good. I received signal almost everywhere where I was traveling. I had no issues with it. These were the problems faced by me, and if anyone using 10G faced the same issues and you are watching this video, please make sure to comment in the comment section below.
Okay guys, that's it from this video. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.